We position the needle with the notch facing to the right. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change it, how to put the needle back in, and exactly how it should be placed. Remember, these needles have a small notch. If inserted incorrectly, the machine will automatically have problems, it won't sew, and could cause a major issue. So we need to know exactly how to insert the needle into these sewing machines. Okay, let's see. We're going to locate this screw. We have the needle and we have the screw. We'll always loosen the screw towards us. Then we lower the needle, and there it is. Remember that this machine uses a standard household sewing machine needle. We'll always position ourselves here. We can see it here. We can see how the needle has a small notch. We can see it there. It has the rounded, long, normal section, and the top part, which is flat, will always have a small notch there. This part that we see here is where the shuttle's tip passes through and picks up the needle's thread to interlace the threads. This small indentation, or notch as it's called, on the needle will always go towards the right. We carefully position the needle with its small notch pointing towards the right, and then we gently bring it down.
We raise it all the way to the top.
And we position it so that the flat part always remains towards the right. Once we are sure that it is all the way to the top of the needle and the flat part is facing to the right, we are going to tighten the screw that holds the needle in place. And here we can see how the needle is positioned, ready to sew all the way, and here it should sew perfectly. Remember, I'll leave the video here. How to thread this machine step by step. I've already uploaded it. I'll leave it here. That's it, friends. Remember, if you like this video, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.